Hello students, in this video we will discuss section C, fill in the blanks, preposition, article and conjunction, and section D, prose comprehension unseen, and section E, report writing and essay writing. So let's start the video. First of all we will discuss section C. First of all, fill in the blanks using articles, conjunction and prepositions at the correct place. If you want in briefly, you can see video briefly article, conjunction and preposition. First, he was dash round little man with a red face, a hall box, tools, dials and wires. He smiled मार्गी एंड गिव हर एप्पल. तो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट में देखो ए आएगा, उसके बाद बी में एंड शी में ऑफ, विद, एट एंड एन. तो कहीं पे कंजक्शन यूज हुआ है, कहीं पे आर्टिकल और कहीं पे प्रीपोजिशंस. नेक्स्ट है द इंस्पेक्टर हैड स्माइल्ड. तो यहाँ पे आएगा आफ्टर. ही वॉज फिनिश्ड एंड पैटेड मार्गीज हेड. एंड सी में आएगा टू. It's not the little girl's fault. I think E में आएगा the geography sector was geared a little too quick. So student, this is our fill in the blanks. और आपको ये अच्छे से फिल कर देनी है, सोच समझ कर आंसर लिखना है. Now we will discuss prose comprehension unseen. देखिए आपको आएगा read the following passage केयरफुली एंड आंसर द क्वेश्चन गिवन बिलो. तो आपको एक पैसेज दिया गया होगा, उसमें नीचे क्वेश्चन होंगे और आंसर आपको लिखने हैं. एक एग्जाम्पल हम देखते हैं. इट वॉज ए डे ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन फॉर द प्रिंसेस ऑफ हस्तिनापुर. देयर वाइस टीचर द्रोणाचार्य वॉज टेस्टिंग देयर स्किल एट शूटिंग एरोज. ही हैड ए क्ले बर्ड प्लेस ऑन द हाइएस्ट ब्रांच ऑफ ट्री. The pupils were supposed to shoot at the eye of the bird. One by one, the princes came forward. Their teacher asked each one of the same question. What do you see? Each of them replied, Gurudev, I can see the bird, the tree, my brothers and you. Drona did not allow them to shoot and asked them to stand aside. When it was Arjun's turn, Drona asked him the same question. He answered, I can see the bird's eye. Then shoot at once, ordered Drona. Arjun's arrow flew from the bow and fired at the left eye of the bird. Drona remarked, Arjun always manages to get his target because he sees only. He aimed to shoot. आप लोगों ने स्टोरी भी सुनी होगी. अब इसमें जो क्वेश्चन है वो करते हैं. क्वेश्चन है what test did द्रोणाचार्य give the student. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन है why were the other princes not allowed to shoot at the eye of the bird. And third है why did Drona order Arjun to shoot at once. So we will discuss answer. फर्स्ट का आंसर है द्रोणाचार्य had a clay bird placed on the highest branch of a tree. The students were supposed to shoot at the eye of the bird. सेकेंड है द्रोणाचार्य would allow to one could sharply focus on the eye at the bird and nothing else. All other princes except Arjun were defocused. They saw everything around the bird, so they were not allowed to shoot at the bird by Dronacharya. Third answer है Drona ordered Arjun to shoot at once because Arjun answered the question, what do you see? rightly. He said that he saw the eye of the bird, which was what he was supposed to. Drona knew by his answer that he was indeed ready to shoot well and get his target. So now we will discuss report writing. Write a report of musical night organized by your school on the school grounds. The report of about 20 lines will be put up on the school notice board. की report लिखनी है. तो grand musical night, place and date. It was an occasion to remember, a night to cherish. Last night was indeed a grand musical night, the one which we will never forget. किसी का जैसे कोई सिंगर है म्यूजिकल, कुमार सानू, हिज म्यूजिकल ट्रॉप कीप्ड एन ऑडियंस ऑफ अबाउट 5000 पीपल इन हर्ड्स द ऑलमोस्ट 3 hours starting from 7 p.m. Alka Yagnik and Anuradha Podwal also joined in here some duets, as well as solo numbers The accompanying orchestra was excellent and the dancer in the fine form. There were some solo classical rituals, and Kumar Sanu's voice was so good as what had heard in the caskets. Our schools had organized the show to raise funds of the construction of the school hall. The principal was happy to announce that after expenses, the school has collected rupees 2 lakhs in cash. All in and the show was the resounding success. और इस तरह से स्टूडेंट की कोई भी टॉपिक आपको रिपोर्ट राइटिंग के ऊपर दे दिया जाएगा, वो आपको लिखना है. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट ऐसे राइटिंग. एडवांटेज एंड डिसएडवांटेज ऑफ मोबाइल. ऐसे राइटिंग में इस तरह से हमें पॉइंट्स दिए गए होंगे, पॉइंट्स से ही हमें आंसर लिखना है. तो देखिए पॉइंट्स ऑफ एडवांटेज: इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन, मैनी डिवाइसेस, सोर्स ऑफ इंटरटेनमेंट, इंफॉर्मेशन, गाइडेंस एंड नॉलेज. क्या ये इसकी जो अच्छाइयाँ हैं वो बताइए. अब इसके डिसएडवांटेज क्या क्या है? डिस्ट्रैक्शन, वीकनेस और faculties of memory strain, addition causes great harm, unwise use may lead to great harm, unreadable pieces and misleading information. Game like PUBG and other can cost life wise and desirable. A mobile is a small portable telephone which enable to take calls, send text and also access the internet easily. Advantage of mobile: they are handy and convenient as they are not attached to cables. You can stay connected with friends and family beings anywhere in the world. It can be informative if connected to the internet. Mobiles can be lifesavers too if you get stuck. The GPS technology helps you find your destinations. Flashlights act like emergency torches. Fun and games make it very popular. अब इसके जो डिसएडवांटेज हैं, डिसएडवांटेज ऑफ मोबाइल्स: इट कैन प्रूव टू बी ग्रेट कॉज ऑफ डिस्ट्रैक्शन and receiving calls in the middle of an important meeting can be disturbing at times. People tend to depend more on their mobiles to remember things like numbers, dates, etc. So the memory slackens. Using the mobile for longer hours and strain your eyes. Earphone used to hear music can damage your hearing ability. Most importantly, addiction to mobile can be very harmful, so one must use mobile wisely. Okay students, you can see advantage and disadvantage of mobile phone. और अभी जो हमने रिवीजन किया है वो आपको नोटबुक में लिखना है और अच्छे से लर्न करना है. और एग्ज़ाम है उस आपको एग्ज़ाम में अच्छे से स्टार्टिंग से पूरा पेपर है उसको अटेम्प्ट करना है, अच्छे से उसको पढ़ना है. अगर आप रीड उसको केयरफुली कर पाओगे तभी आंसर अच्छे से दे पाओगे. ओके स्टूडेंट, बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर योर एग्ज़ाम. थैंक यू.